Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good afternoon. Recently, a company called Jellas asked me if I'd like to review one of their products. I said, sure. I do a lot of reviews, and I'll give you my honest opinion. So they sent it to me. It arrived a couple of days ago, but I've been so busy doing other reviews and my regular YouTube channel. Today I'm going to open this box. We're going to do an unboxing right in front of you. This box is from Amazon.com, from the Jellas store. And what we have here is, it's heavy. A Jellas Random Orbital Sander. Let's open the box. Well packaged, sealed. Here we go. It's 3.8 amps. And it's a plug into your wall orbital sander. It has what's called a D handle. And there's a, there we go, a D handle. Now, this way, if you look at it, it's a D. And so it has a safety release lever to allow you to move it upwards, middle, and straight, depending on what you're sanding. On the side, on the top, whatever you're comfortable with. Pretty sturdy. This is a rubber grip over here on the D handle. This is ABS plastic. The top part here is rubber coated. It appears it has just an on and off switch over here. The orbital pad, and it looks like it has some kind of an output over here. So instead of the messy sawdust that gets everywhere when you're sanding things, this comes with a vacuum bag so that all the sand goes into it and it pops right on. You can remove this bag to clear it, and it has like a metal frame over here to keep the bag extended instead of maybe sucking in or something. So this is a 5-inch padded sander, right? And it's 6,000 to 13,000 RPMs. It also includes 18 pack sanding discs. In this package here is the instructions. Get out of here, we don't need any instructions, forget about it. It's a warranty card and a thank you card. You're welcome. In the box is a pack of 18 sanding discs. Let's open it and see what they look like and how they differ. Okay, so I'm also reading the listing here. It's got P60, P80, P120, P180, P240, and P320 grit sandpaper. It's cool. Lots of different grits. Do you guys eat grits? I've had it before, it's okay. Alright, so you know what? It's plain and simple, you know what I mean? Should we try the really rough pad? Let's do the most rough pad here. Right here. And then goes to the most finest grain sandpaper on the bottom. That's a lot of sandpaper there for you. And this just adheres on here. This feels like felt. And this feels like the mating part of it. So it just sticks on there, kind of like Velcro, but not really. I guess it kind of is like Velcro, you know. So I'm gonna undo this. It's a twisty tie on it for permanency and for shipping. And then for regular, it's a Velcro, so that you can simply store the cord away when you're not using it. Should I make sure it's off? Yeah. Just kidding. Just kidding. All right, here we go. Ready? Very cool. I used to have a Black & Decker sander, and it was kind of rattly. This feels solid. Feels like heavy, good quality. You know what I mean? It's pretty good. Let's try it on some wood. So I've got this 2x4 piece of wood here, and it's been sitting in my yard for a while. It's weathered, rough. Let's just do this part over here and see. Look at that, huh? This was with the extreme hard grit, the most rough grit. Let's put some the fine grit, the finest one right here. I know you're supposed to go like in the middle or something, but just doing this to show you that it works well. Very cool. So there you go. Look at the difference. Soft. Oh my gosh. Super soft. So soft I can lick it. There you go. That's proof to you right there that this is super, super smooth. Awesome. So this handy little gadget, Random Orbital Sander, sells for $55.99 on Amazon.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can get it yourself for free shipping on Amazon.com. Also, I'll leave a link to the Jellas store where they have other wonderful, innovative products that you might be interested in. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's video, review and unboxing of the Jellas 5-inch 3.8 amp random D-handle orbital sander with a sandbag. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. From Mowers and Blowers! As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire right up! See you guys
next time on
Mowers and Blowers. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.